I am writing a paper on sports issues for a class in English. The first place I look information is on Google Scholar because most professors say that they want a scholarly research, and Google Scholar is usually the first place they think of. So I'm gonna type in Google Scholar. And I'm doing sports issues, so the first thing I will type in the search is sports issues into Google Scholar, and I'll usually scroll down and see what's good. I try to look for links that already are in the database instead of trying to find them. And since they gave me a wide variety of sports issues, I'll probably narrow the search to uh let's say football. And I usually check out the first link just to see how it is. I rarely scroll through the whole thing. I usually get information off the first couple of like pages that I see. So I'm really not finding any sports issues about football. So I'm going to change my search from sports issues of football to to dangerous no, problems with playing football. And the first one say long-term health impact of football, and that's what I'm basically looking for. So I click on that, and it has an abstract. So I'll read the abstract to see if this is a source that I want. And if it's a resource that I want, I would I would take some quotes from it and put it in my paper. And since we're on Google Scholar, and since we're on Google Scholar, they usually have a view signing of the article. I just click on that, and they already have the works cited made for you, so I would just copy and paste that into my bibliography. And after I get like one or two resources from Google Scholar, I'll go to regular Google and try to look up information. What I would type in Google is what I found most helpful in the Google Scholars, and that was problems in football. So I'll just type that in the Google search engine. And they usually have a Wikipedia. I just read that just to see what I can look for. I don't use it, but I do read a little bit of it just to get a better understanding of what I need to look for in other websites. And this is one of the first links I saw when I typed in. It, First, I see how the website looks and see if it's reliable or not. And this looks reliable. Uh, it has the author, and it also has the references down at the bottom. That's a first. I've never seen that. But then I will start skimming over the article, and if I like what I see, and if I want a quote, I'll take the quote, put it in my paper, and with this website, since it's now Google Scholar, I will copy and paste it onto another page of my Word document, so I won't forget the URL. And in my paper, I will just put like the name of the website, so I'll know I can. There's an inside text in there, an in-text citation. I meant. And there's another website saying where they use football biggest problems. And then I'll just do as I did before, just skim over it. If I like what I see, copy the URL in a different page in my paper. And after I did like a good amount of research, I would go to EasyBib and copy and paste the URL in the EasyBib. And a lot of times they don't have all the information you need for the citation. So I usually go back to the website and usually look for myself what they ask for. Like a lot of times they don't have the author, so I put in the author. They don't have like the publisher, and usually the publisher is like all the way down at the bottom. And sometimes they don't have a date on Easy Build, and I look for a date. And that is how I do research. Just exit out. I don't know if I had